Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Khan Academy for academic success easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Khan Academy website at www.khanacademy.org. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. You can sign up using your email address or a Google account. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying various subjects. Browse through the subjects available to find the one you need help with. Click on a subject to view the different topics covered. Select a topic that interests you or matches your academic needs. You will be presented with a list of lessons, videos, and exercises. Start with an instructional video to get a foundational understanding of the topic. Take notes while you watch to reinforce your learning. After the video, attempt the practice exercises to test your understanding. If you struggle with a problem, review the hints and explanations provided. You can also revisit the video if you need clarification on a specific point. Once you feel confident, continue to the next lesson or topic. Utilize the Mastery feature to track your progress and ensure you grasp the material. Khan Academy also offers quizzes to assess your knowledge on a broader scale. Check the assignments section for any additional tasks that may complement your learning. Join the community forums to engage with other learners and ask questions. Consider setting a study schedule to maximize your learning consistency. Use the mobile app for learning on the go and making use of short study sessions. Finally, review your progress regularly to identify areas that need more focus. By following these steps, you can effectively use Khan Academy to achieve academic success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.